Songs are like tattoos, you know I've been to sea before. Crown and anchor me, or let me sail away. Blue, here is a song for you. Ink on a pen, underneath the skin, an empty space to fill in. You know there's so many sinking, now you gotta keep thinking you can make it through these waves. Acid, booze and ass, needles, guns and grass, lots of laughs, lots of laughs. Now everybody is saying that hell is the hippest way to go. Well, I don't think so, but I'm gonna take a look around though. Hey, Blue, a shell for you. Inside you'll hear a sigh, a foggy lullaby. Here is your song from me. Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel uninspired. And when I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it made me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind. Your love was the key to my peace of mind. You make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. When my soul was in the lost and found, you came along to claim it. I didn't know just what was wrong with me, but your kiss helped me name it. And now I'm no longer doubtful of what I'm living for. If I make you happy, I don't need to do more. 'Cause you make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. Oh baby, what you've done to Dank u wel. Dank u wel. When I said I needed you, you said you would always stay. It wasn't me who changed but you, and now you've gone away. Don't you know that now you've gone and I'm left here all alone? Now I have to follow you and beg you to come home. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, oh believe me, I will never, 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 ever tie you down. Left alone with just a memory, life seems dead and so unreal. There's nothing left but emptiness. I've got nothing, nothing left to feel. You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't have to stay